Okay guys, how to access software update settings from your phone. Just open your settings, then scroll down, then you can see option of about phone. Normal, old phones are include software update option in about phone. Also newer phones also suggest some settings from here like this. Looking for something else, you can see the software updation after option is suggested there. Just tap on that, then you can easily access the settings. Also, you can access the software update from the main settings menu. Like a new option is there, software update, named as software update. If you touch that, you can see there is a menu like this, software update. So you can easily access this software update from newer phone from the main menu to main menu as software update. In old versions, go to the about phone, then you can see software update option is there. Okay guys, it's a very simple tutorial. If you enjoy this tutorial, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.